The Oster waffle maker is really great. It's popular for good reason. If you are looking to up your breakfast game, whether it's weekend waffles or waffles anytime, this is really fantastic. It's a wonderful value for what you get. You get these nice deep ridges or grids to create like a Belgian style waffle. It's really easy to figure out how to use. You plug it in, you'll see the light come on when it's ready to cook, and you can use this dial to determine if you want your waffles lighter or darker and crispier. I tend to like it about 3/4 the way along, so I get a little bit of crispiness. I happen to love the Krusty's Belgian waffle mix. It's my favorite waffle mix out there, but I also like making my own waffle mixes as well. And when it comes to adding things in, feel free to get creative, whether that's chocolate chips or it's fresh berries like raspberries. You can have a lot of fun with different flavors. My kids even love sprinkles. And keep in mind that if you're making waffles, and maybe you're only making waffles for a few people, but you want to cook off the whole batch, you can go ahead and freeze waffles. They freeze wonderfully. So you could make them all, stick them in the freezer in a nice Ziploc bag, freezer Ziploc bag, and pull them out throughout the week by warming them in your toaster oven or even your good old-fashioned toaster. It's pretty great. You can find all the information you need to know about the Oster waffle maker on my Amazon shop page.